of One celebrity chef, Todd English.
Hello,
Thank you for joining us.
It's good to be here. Wonderful to be here
By the
with
way,
you guys.
you have a big market voice, like a real baritone
radio
voice.
It's a voice for radio.
No, it's a voice for television, radio, the kitchen. Hey, if you need something to do this weekend, why not head over to Connecticut, the Nutmeg State? Hey, Stamford Food Festival happening. There'll be 50 different food vendors.
Yes.
Great food, especially from
that's
this guy.
Yeah, so joining us this morning,
great chefs as well, for sure.
And as we've introduced already, celebrity chef Todd English is here to share a little something special. Welcome to New York Living.
Thank you.
So give us an idea of what you're going to be.
It's been a while. Great to be back in the studio. Well, we got a bunch of stuff. You know, there's obviously a lot of great chefs there.
Yeah.
It's interesting. The dish we're making, actually, I put a little nutmeg in it.
You see, he's very on brand.
He's right. Went right
the
for
nutmeg
it.
steak. It's funny that you mentioned that. It's
Exactly.
Keep him happy.
I don't know if that was set up or not, but anyway.
I will buy it.
I'm spending many years going to Maine, lobster, corn, summer. That's just it says it everything to me, and
lobster.
I love what they say in Maine, lobster.
A lobster.
A
lobster.
Yeah.
A lobster. Now, did you fetch this out of the sea?
I did this morning with my scuba diving. You can see where the
You
spear went through there.
Yeah,
That's right.
It was
that's
wrestling.
Right.
It was rough. It was
Poor
rough.
guy.
You know, it only got one finger.
It only got one digit, right? Okay.
But I'm good. So this is a cream corn waffle.
Cream corn waffle.
So we actually pureed the corn like a cream corn. We fold in some egg whites, we put it in a waffle iron, and then we poach the lobster in a lobster broth. All right, and then finish in the pan with butter, and we put it with and the lobster broth is made from the heads and the shells and all that. So and then we mix it with butter, and you're gonna spoon. We can spoon a little bit of that over the top.
What is this little?
It's like a lobster butter. It's made with a little tomato. Lobster sauce.
Okay, hold on. So we both love the kitchen.
Yes.
In our minds, we're like really good chefs.
Yeah, well, we dilute ourselves.
Talk to me about the cream corn in the waffle.
Okay, yes. So that actually you make a waffle batter.
Okay.
I love like savory waffles and fun things.
Yeah.
And it's great. And so we just cream corn, and then fold it into a regular waffle batter.
Yeah.
And then we fold in egg whites, whipped egg whites, to leaven it a little bit, and then put it in the waffle maker. And
he's smart.
It's like he's done this before.
You know, a couple times. A couple times.
Here and there.
Yeah, I've been doing this for a few years.
Dabbled.
But, you know, the festival itself is really fun. There's a lot of live music, and it's a big event.
It's a huge event.
Yeah.
There's everything from this delicacy to pizza, chicken wings. It really does bring the community together.
And so, and it's great. And I have actually have a restaurant in Connecticut as well, up in Mohegan Sun.
I'm aware.
Yes, Tuscany. We've been there for a while. Tuscany.
So where would you normally serve a dish like this? At the
this
restaurant?
would be something like this. So we do this at my pubs or at Olives as well. In Vegas, I've got a couple things out in Vegas. So we just flew in from Vegas today.
Wow.
Or last night.
All just for us. Thank you so much,
no,
Chef.
Absolutely. Had to get out of the 120 degrees to be in 100 degrees.
Exactly. 20 degrees makes a difference.
It's really, I'm a meteorologist. I'm promising good weather for you in Stanford.
Right.
It'd be great.
No sweating.
So let me just finish this dish.
Yeah,
we talked about the cream corn, the poached lobster, okay? And now what we have here, this is that I call it a chantilly in French.
Chantilly.
Yeah, a chantilly, which is it's basically whipped cream that's put in an ISI can, okay? So we pump a little nitrogen in there.
Oh.
It's just got extra fancy.
Yeah, and then
wasn't fancy enough.
Spoon a little bit of butter over there.
Okay.
Put a little lobster butter over there, Chris. Then we have some toasted corn. So this has
corn two ways.
Yes, it has the nutmeg. It has also a little bit of vanilla, because vanilla is one of them. This is toasted corn.
And then are these chives?
How about some chives over the top?
Right? Fingers, or should I just?
Fingers are fingers.
It's just us. Just us.
Chiving. Chive shower. There you go. It really looks beautiful, actually.
Right? There you go. So it's a
dish.
great combination. You wouldn't think necessarily of having a waffle with that, but
I was going to say you've heard of chicken and waffles.
You've
heard of just waffle and waffles.
Lobster and
But
waffles.
Look, I'm gonna like a lady. I'm gonna go in here.
Yeah, and then
try
one there for
this.
you, Chris, as well. Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right,
you talk.
So a little bit of lobster, a little bit of waffle, a little bit of fun. Should be a good day at the. A good day in Stamford. We're doing 2 days there. It's Friday.
Wow.
I mean, Saturday and Sunday.
Tell people where they can find you.
Yeah, and
what
I think
time?
it's WWE is going to be there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to be cooking with some of the wrestlers. Hopefully, so we'll see what happens.
Oh, jeez. I have my money on you.
Coming down off the road.
I got my money on you.
Right? I don't.
You didn't like the lobster.
What's the matter with you? Yeah, and then also I think Jersey Shore is going to be there. So this is going to be a lot of fun characters as usual. including moi.
Including
yourself.
you, exactly.
And we'll be either doing a couple demos and hanging out with the fans and cooking some good food, and it's just an all-in-all great day. So,
It's a
so
great
we're really
day.
looking forward to it.
Go to Hey Stamford, go to Mohegan Sun,
Yes.
go to Vegas, taste
Yeah.
his food.
Anywhere.
If you can't, I'm
Almost
sorry,
everywhere.
we'll taste it for you. Thanks.
Absolutely.
This
Great
was
to see you,
amazing.
Melissa.
Good to see you
Thank
again.
you guys. Great
Oh,
to be
wow.
here.
Delish.
In
Here's
case
what
you
you need
missed
to
it.
know
Yes.
about the festival. If you go tonight, tickets are $5
Yep.
to see Chef Todd. You can go Saturday for $35
That's
or
prime
Sunday
time.
for $10, apparently. But if you can't make it, the festival also runs next weekend, and the prices are about the same. You can
Yes.
find more information online at HeyStamfordFoodFest.com. I've got to
And
check this out.
I've been. It's good.
I heard it's great.
It's a good deal.
I
yeah.
know friends who've gone.
A little country air is good for you.
Absolutely.
Little country.
With great food.
It's like dust off your passport. Go to
You're right.
Connecticut.
We gotta